Hello everyone. So if you need to view web content in apps on the Android phone and it's not opening up for some reason, let's enable Android System WebViewer. Here's how to do that. So first of all, we gotta open up our settings. Then we gotta scroll down to our apps section. And there it is. And in our app section, let's locate our Android System WebViewer. So first of all, let's press force stop, press OK. Make sure that it's not disabled. It's not disabled. So as we force stopped it, it means we basically made the rewinding process. So the next time when we're gonna try and open up the web page, the whole system is going to be rewinded because we just performed a force stop. If you cannot see the Android web viewer, because for some phones is Google Chrome on the automatic, locate your Google Chrome. There it is, and do the same. So do the force stop, press OK. After that, let's go back and let's scroll down to our About Phone section. Then we gotta locate our software information. There it is. And let's tap 7 times on our build number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now confirm your identity by entering your PIN, password, or face pattern. And let's allow developer settings. We got a pop-up message that developer mode has been turned on. Now go back to your main settings, scroll down, and here you will locate your developer options. So let's use our search bar. It's just more comfortable than to search for it. Now we gotta locate for our web viewer related options. Web view implementation, there it is. So here make sure that it's set on System Web Viewer, because sometimes it may be set on anything else like Chrome or something else. Great. We're done with it. Now let's try and open up any link in any kind of application, messenger, doesn't matter. As you see, it opens up, it works. So basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.